Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to send XRP from Uphold to any other wallet. So step 1 is just open the application of Uphold in your mobile phone and just click on this option which is in the center, transact. Just click on the transact option, and once you click here, so you will see like this kind of option or these kind of settings. So just click on select source. Selecting source is basically what do you want to send. So just click on this option, and once you click here, you will be sent to this section. So from this section, just make sure to choose XRP account, and once you click on XRP, after that you just need to select destination, like what do you want to send. Just click on select destination, and from this section make sure to choose the XRP as well. You can just search it, or you can just scroll down and just find the XRP ledger and just click on XRP, and it will be added into this section. So once it is added into this section, after that just make sure to enter the amount, like how much do you want to transfer. So just enter the amount, and once the amount is entered, just make sure to click on preview withdrawal. And once you click on this section, preview withdrawal, so they will send you to this section, withdraw XRP to XRP wallet. In this section, make sure to enter the XRP address of the wallet, like whatever wallet you are choosing, or you are choosing to transfer the amount. So in our case, I am using the decent wallet. So any other wallet will be similar to this one as well. So from this section, just go to my wallet option, and in the crypto section, you will see all the crypto amounts or all the crypto assets, or otherwise you will see this kind of option, add account or add assets. Just click on this option, and once you add it, in this section token name, just make sure to select the currency or search the cryptocurrency. In our case, which is XRP, you can just search the XRP and just select it, click on XRP, and it will be added. You can just click on create, and it will be added to this home section, as you can see. So once it is added, just click on XRP, and once you click on XRP, you will see all these options, either send, receive, or swap. So in our case, we are receiving the XRP into our wallet, so just click on receive, and once you click on receive, you will see this kind of receiving address or a QR code. So just click on this copy button in front of the address. Just click on copy and copy the address, and go back to the XRP address section or on the Uphold account. So paste the address and just ignore the destination tag. As you can read, the destination tag is optional to send XRP. So after that, just click on confirm, and once you click on confirm, they will ask you to confirm the details of the recipient as well. So just click on continue, and once you click on continue, you can enter the recipient details. Either if you are transferring to the own account, so you can click on this section, yes, I own this account. Or if you're sending to somebody else wallet, so just click on individual or a company, enter the details and fill all the information. So in our case, I'll just click on yes, I own this account. And once you click here, you will see this option, select destination type. So you can just click on self-hosted wallet, and once you click this on, after that just click on continue button. And once you click on continue, so they will basically ask you wallet provider name as well. So enter the wallet provider name. So you can just enter the wallet name, whatever wallet you are choosing. So in our case, which is decent, or you can enter the another wallet that you are using. Just enter the wallet name, and after that you can just click on this section, I confirm this is my address. And once you click on this button, they will ask you to transact preview. You can just read the amount from this network phase is this to XRP ledger, and the settlement time and the address. So you can confirm all the details and click on confirm withdrawal. And once you can click on confirm withdrawal, all your amount will be transferred to any other wallet that you are using. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.